Alright, part 2 of the adventure. Leaving this beautiful boat. Leaving this beautiful bay. Let's go for it. See ya! Alright, game on! If you wonder how much time I have left, it's exactly 1 hour and 18 minutes. So, let's find a cab. Hi. Yeah man. Yeah man. Okay, got a taxi. We're now rushing. We're a man with a mission. We're fully concentrated, as you see. We got this. I'm here with Nigel from Citycab Barbados on a mission. Let's do this! Okay, a bit of a challenge. Oh. I only have dollars and a taxi does not accept dollars. I got it. I got it. We can continue. Okay, other situation. The car is gone with my passport and all my stuff. Let's find the car. I found him. Nigel! What's going on?
I'll circle for you.
Huh?
I can't.
Mission accomplished. We did it, Nigel.
Yes.
We did it.
Safe journeys, boy.
Thank you, thank you.
Thanks for coming through Barbados.
Of course. I made it. Here's the plane. It's like a private jet. Such a small plane. But I hope it will bring me there. First, Panama. This is a very nice lady. Hi. The last time I see the ocean, just over here. Don't bump your head again. But it's there. And now, on to the next adventure. Shall I come back? Look at this. KLM. Nee, ik ga het toch niet doen. So guys, I arrived in Panama and some bueno news and some no bueno news. I have about 1 hour to make it to my next flight. What is the good news? Well, I made it to Panama, which is quite good. The no bueno news is that I don't have an accommodation yet. I just realized. So I still need to get some before I take this plane. Otherwise I don't know where to stay tonight. And the second part of the no bueno news is that I have been using Duolingo, but Duolingo for Spanish is nice, but they don't consider the speed that people speak Spanish over here, which is incredibly fast. Nice, I made it. So that's part 1, and now part 2. Hi guys, I made it. Still on Caribbean o'clock, I think, because I'm the only one. My bag is the only one left. I need to switch. From, and I'll show you with my passport. I need to switch from Barbados and Caribbean o'clock to Chile. That's it. I'm gonna be in Chile and South America the coming months. I'm gonna buy a motorcycle. My Spanish is not on par yet, nor is my knowledge about any of the things that are going on over here. Just learned about pesos. My motor experience is okay-ish. I recently got my motor license and I drove for 1 day, so there's room for improvement. Clothing needs to be bought, as well as a lot of other stuff. But are you ready for my new adventure? I just found a taxi driver And what do we say?
Goedemorgen meneer. Lekker leven?
Just having my first walk in the city. I see graffiti everywhere. Like literally everywhere. You see? So I forgot about the demonstrations a bit. Now I need to, I don't know, do research I guess on how serious this is. Okay, things are going a bit out of the hand. This is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna run. Alright, man with a mission. In order to get a bike, I first need to get a tax ID. In order to get a tax ID with this form, I first need to get a local Chilean that can vouch for me. And to do that, it cannot be done today. It can only be done tomorrow. So I'm now with a friend that I know from a training in San Francisco. It's great. We filled in the paperwork. We're gonna bring the paperwork to the municipality, to the third location. I decided to keep track of how many people have helped me. I'm now at 8 and I've now been sent to another office in another town or region of the city, and apparently they should be able to help me. Alright, status update. In about 7 minutes Chilean time, a guy should arrive, of which I will buy a beautiful motorcycle. I hope to get some help from the notary. That's like a person that takes care of the papers, and it's gonna be all in Spanish. Both parties speak only Spanish, so it's gonna be quite interesting. Let's see how it goes. Okay, update. I cannot pay by wire transfer, so the only way for me to pay this humongous amount of money is just in plata, in cash. So I'm now going to multiple ATMs to get, I've never seen so many bills, but to get all the money to buy the motorcycle. Here I am, waiting for my motor. Here's a motor, but here's a line of people that we need to do the paperwork with, or we need to stand in line at least. Let's see how this goes. Okay, status update. We're now being helped, but I forgot my passport, so let's see how this goes. Okay, I wish I was faking this, but I literally have 9 minutes till my last option will close. The past morning we've been busy for 3 to 4 hours getting all the paperwork, standing in line for about 2 hours, and then when we were finally helped, the lady said we had to go back to something else. So now, final hope so that I can still leave Santiago by tomorrow. Wish me luck. So I just made it. The door is still open, but they're gonna have a siesta, so need to be back in an hour. I'm this close to getting my motorbike. You know how close I am? I actually have the keys, but I'm just missing the paperwork. I can already touch it, but I'm missing the paperwork. Man, oh man, welcome to Chile. Here, we're almost ready with all the papers, and now they want my Instagram. Gracias. With that having said, don't become boring, keep exploring.